Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I wanted to show you one of the projects that we will be teaching at the Made It Con March 15th, 16th, and 17th. We will be making this, and this is a little box, and it has a folio attached to it. As you can see, there's a folio attached to it with all of your places that you can put photos. This is a very good Mother's Day gift. This is a fall one that I made. We will not be making it in these colors. We'll be making it in some good bright springy colors. But all of the supplies will be furnished for you. The only thing that you'll need to bring to class is just your normal little kit where you bring your scissors and maybe some wet glue and your score tool, that kind of thing. But everything else to make this project will be furnished for you. Now, in this class, we're going to have a surprise that we can't tell you about, but there is going to be a surprise for everyone, and it will be given out to you when the class begins. We still have a few seats available for this class, so I'm going to leave the direct link below to this class if you will go over and sign up. We're also going to have door prizes, giveaways, all during the class. There will be written instructions for all of our classes so that you can go home and create over and over again if you want to. Okay guys, we look forward to seeing you in Fort Worth in March, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.